Hi guys, I couldn't find a tutorial online, so I'm just going to make a quick one. So you want to go ahead and go to sejda.com, Sejda.com. Once you go in there, this is what it's going to look like. So you're going to click on Edit a PDF. You're going to upload the file. You're going to click on the PDF that you want, and here it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on text, right? And then you're gonna just click on here. You want to make sure that it's in bold so that way it knows that that's what you want to do. And then once you type in there, you're gonna type, like I would type my name, Sejda Ramirez. I would go down, and then let's say I'm gonna circle. I can go to here, and then like that. And here, if I wanted to do this one, I would just do the same thing. Then you go to apply changes. Wait for it. There it is. It looks awesome. My stuff is in there. And here's where you are just going to download. It's going to download already here, and it already has my information. Once it's here, you can then take that information over to your Mount email or your Mount SAC Canvas class and then email it to me. Okay? Hope it helps.